everyone, I'm Tori, founder of Squarespace. I've been designing Squarespace websites and building plugins for nearly a decade now, and I believe it's given me a really good foundation on how to make a site that looks great, but more importantly, drives the site visitors to take action. So today, I'm excited to walk you through how I'm building the website for the Vivid Glow Music Festival. So we're going to start with this design here. Selling, payments, and we're going to turn on Squarespace payments, a really great way to accept payments on your website. And it has all of the major credit cards. So we're going to turn that on, and then you're going to go through this and get all set up. So we want to make sure that SEO is all set up so that we can appear in search results really well. And Squarespace has the Improve with AI feature. So this is the image, and you can add more later, but I'm going to select a new one from the library right now. For the weekend pass, I'd like to do an outdoor stage. And now I'm going to start a new homepage. I like to just start a blank page and create from there. And then, so the homepage is created, and then we have a demo tickets page and a demo contact and FAQ page. But we're going to go back to the homepage, and then we're going to go into site styles because we want to make sure everything matches up with the client's branding. And so let's set all of this up. We're going to do the fonts first, and for the headings, I would like to actually, let's go to the demo homepage just so we can see what it'll look like. First things first, the footer is amazing, but I need to just select none for art because I won't have any art on the footer as of now. We're going to delete that. There we go. And then I would also like to add, some info here. So let's say it is in September 2025. And then we're going to edit the mobile view. Just want to make sure this looks good if it's on mobile. All right. Much better. And then this here. Okay. Okay, now we need to edit the photo just to make this dark as well. I'd like the entire site to be pretty dark. Just wanted to see what H2 looks like. Like the other way. Okay. So make sure it looks good on mobile. All right, about the festival. A little line here. I'm gonna push this down. Okay. That looks really cool. Okay, I love that. Okay, now we're gonna save. And one more thing, when you're in mobile, you also need to change the font for the mobile site title. I'm gonna do custom again, and then the Gabarito, and then text transform uppercase. Cool. All right, let's exit. And now we need to tackle the tickets page. So we have a demo tickets page right here. I really like how it looks. It looks really cool and, lively. So I'm going to actually use the demo, but first I'll set this as the home page. And we're going to delete this home page, move this here. Okay, so for the demo, what we need to do is just make sure that it uses the correct imagery for the products that we set. So we have this product here, which is the all. And as you can see, that had the lights. So let's replace this. And let's use a nice photo for that. I'd like to use something a little more intimate. So I really like this photo. Ooh, actually I really like this photo too, but we'll use that for another page. Okay. And as you can see, once you add a donation block, the content here, you have funds, general fund. You can rename this as you'd like, and then contribute to, button text, donate. For the design, you can set a different form style. I think we should go with something a little more. Let's see. That looks cool. Actually, I like that. That's a little more seamless. Okay. And something really cool. Let's save this and then check it out a little more. You can also go in, select your amount or do a custom amount, and then you can select monthly donation, one time, weekly. Either of these is a super, super neat feature. Support us by covering the fees we have to pay. You can also do that. And you're all set up. The donation's all set up. And since we took care of the Squarespace payments, all of this is good to go for your account for Squarespace payments. Okay, so we're going to edit this here. Let me just do another option. Perfect. Okay, so we're going to edit this here to, and there we have our music festival website. And it's all ready to go and set up with Squarespace payments. You have your week pass, your weekend pass, and then your donations for users to make. So thank you for joining me on this website build. I had so much fun and I really hope you love it. See you later.